Achieving beautiful glowing skin can be simple with a few easy tips that anyone can follow. These tips include staying hydrated, using sunscreen, and incorporating a good skincare routine. Start by drinking plenty of water throughout the day to keep your skin hydrated and healthy. Complement this with a balanced diet rich in fruits and vegetables to nourish your skin from the inside out. Make sure to apply sunscreen daily, even on cloudy days, to protect your skin from harmful UV rays. Additionally, a proper skincare routine that includes cleansing and exfoliating will help maintain that radiant glow. Incorporating regular facial massages can boost circulation and promote a youthful appearance. Lastly, never underestimate the power of a good night's sleep, as quality rest is crucial for skin rejuvenation.